I'm very honored to accept the Thomson Award for Empowering Learning and Community Engagement. I feel extremely fortunate to be at an institution that supports community outreach at such a high level. I would like to recognize that the SVSU STEM Opportunities Camp would not be possible without Dr. Joseph Afori-Dankwa and Dr. Jonathan Gold, who were the founding members of the camp back in 2012 when it started, and also Dr. Chris Nakamura and my husband, Dr. Jan Hlavacek, who have co-coordinated this camp with me for many years. This award should really go to all of them as well. I would also like to thank sponsored programs, Mamie Thorns, SE&T Dean, Dr. Andrew Chubb, President Bashand, Provost Huntley, and pretty much everyone in academic affairs for all of their support through the years. We have gotten so much help and support through the years that I most certainly have forgotten someone, so please forgive me. Finally, I would really like to thank the STEM Camp kids because they are awesome and they are the heart of this camp. Thank you.